We are the generation born after 1990. We didn't just inherit a broken world. We inherited the internet, which means we inherited the truth. We are the first generation in human history that sees everything in real time. But seeing the truth and having the power to change it are two different things. For decades, we've just been raising our voices on social media, screaming at a system that was designed to be deaf. To understand the trap, look at history. It's always been about power. In 1835, the British Empire realized they couldn't control millions with guns, so they colonized the mind. They created a factory education system to manufacture obedient clerks using our own people to control us. Then came the world wars. They divided us with the illusion of nationalism, drew borders in the Middle East, and turned neighbors into enemies just to steal their oil and minerals. In 1971, they turned the US dollar into a weapon. The UN, the IMF, they are not peacekeepers. They are the managers of a global matrix, and we have been funding our own destruction through taxes. If you watch anime like One Piece, you know about the celestial dragons and the five elders, the untouchable elites who sit at the top of the world, treating human lives like chess pieces. It's not fiction, it's a documentary. Look at what is happening right now. The tech giants, the billionaires, the politicians, they are gathering in the White House. Why? Because of artificial intelligence. AI is the ultimate weapon of control. They are already using it. They used AI to capture political leaders in Venezuela. They are destroying Africa for cobalt just to build their electric empires under the disguise of doing business. If the people who dropped atomic bombs, funded proxy wars, and engineered the cycle of hatred get absolute control over artificial intelligence, humanity enters an inescapable digital prison. But they forgot one thing: we are not them. We grew up understanding the cycle of hatred from Naruto. We know that the system thrives on division, and we know how to hack it. We saw the youth in Nepal use Discord to organize and overthrow a corrupt government. We have the internet, we have blockchain, we have open source AI. Complaining on social media is over. We are handing you the execution engine. Welcome to our new reality. We have taken the concept of Ethereum DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, and we are bringing it to the physical world. Imagine a single platform where your identity is secured on an unhackable blockchain. A platform that merges the connectivity of Facebook, the service economy of Upwork, and the mobility of Uber, but with zero corporate overlords. You see a problem in your city? You don't beg a politician. You propose a solution on the network. The community votes directly. Smart contracts release the funds with 100% live tracking. No corrupt taxes. No middlemen funding wars with your money. AI assists every single user, optimizing your business, your health, and your community. We are replacing politicians with algorithms and mathematics. We are giving you absolute transparency and absolute power. And to secure the future, we are permanently destroying the 1835 education matrix. Memorizing information in the age of AI is useless. There are over 2 billion gamers on Earth. What if gaming wasn't an escape from reality, but the tool to save it? We are building virtual worlds, think GTA 6 or PUBG, but hard-coded with the actual laws of physics, quantum mechanics, and engineering. You won't just play, you will solve real-world problems. By merging AI with gamified education, we will turn 2 billion gamers into the scientists, architects, and engineers of tomorrow. We won't just fix Earth, this is the intelligence engine that makes humanity a multi-planetary species. The generation before us built a world of invisible chains. We are the generation that breaks them. The elites cannot control a decentralized world. The tools are ready. The blockchain is live. The AI is waiting. Stop asking the old system for permission to exist. Join the platform. Let's rewrite the operating system of humanity.